Do you want views and subs? I want views and subs. We all want to know the key steps to achieve our goals on YouTube. So, today I will show you step by step how to get the right hook and share some editing tips. Don't miss out the last part of the video. Let's go. First of all, I will show you a basic animation I use in the beginning of my videos. Do you want an animation of your logo talking, like this one? Then, follow these steps. Open canva.com. Then, go to Elements and search for Paper Texture and choose your preferred option. Add a person element, depending on your preference. Attach your logo to the character's head. Click on Animation and select Create Animation. Following my actions. Perfect, now you have an animation of yourself talking. Let's move on to the next step. Are you a YouTuber struggling with audience retention? Do viewers quit your video within the first 30 seconds? I have a solution for you. Follow these 3 easy steps that everyone can do. Avoid intros longer than 10 seconds. When people click on a video, they expect to see what the title promised. A very long intro can cause viewers to lose interest quickly. Before we move to the next step, please remember that creating these videos requires a lot of effort. So please like and subscribe if you find the information helpful. Use engaging language at the beginning of your video. Start with a question or statement that makes the audience curious. As you can see, I began this video with a question and it kept you engaged, right? If that doesn't work for your niche, you might as well try to put your intro after the video is played for like 1 or 2 minutes. Make sure you are not getting out of topic too much, and use B-roll to keep the audience listening and engaged the whole time. You can use stock images and videos or sound effects that fits in the video, as well as some emojis and stickers. Ensure your introduction is not boring and include interesting elements to captivate your audience from the start. The most important step is to follow me on YouTube, so I can continue providing valuable content on making money and becoming a social media master. Now let's move on to a very important step to get your click speaking. Thumbnails are often the first impression viewers have of your content, so it's crucial to make them visually appealing and enticing. Here are some tips to help you create clickable thumbnails. Eye-catching imagery. Use high-quality, vibrant, and relevant images or graphics that grab attention. Choose images that evoke curiosity or emotions related to the content. Clear and bold text. Include concise and bold text that summarizes the content or highlights the main point. Use a large, readable font that stands out against the background. Contrasting colors. Ensure there is a strong contrast between the background color and the text. Images to make the text easily readable. Consistent branding. Incorporate your channel or brand's logo, color scheme, or other visual elements to maintain a consistent identity across your thumbnails. This helps viewers recognize your content more easily. I simply summarized how to avoid mistakes when making your YouTube channel and explained how to have the best growth. Subscribe and help me make my mom proud. See you in the next video.
Yeah, boy.